It's Ian from AMZ Product Launcher. Welcome to the Canton Fair. Now, you're probably thinking, is Amazon for me? Now, we're with clients right now that are finding products as we speak. We've been here now for 5 days. So if you are considering Amazon as an opportunity, especially selling from Australia, it's a wonderful time, so you can come along with us next year, 2024, and find products. We're finding products for clients. They're buying for $1, $2, $3, and you can sell that on Amazon for $50, $60, $70. So if you are looking to maybe work less, earn more, spend more time with your family, an awesome time to have here at the Canton Fair. Till then, speak to you soon.